Are you having fun? Are you super good? What's your favorite part of skiing? Getting hot chocolate. All right. All right, now all the way back to me. That's a beautiful turn. That's a beautiful turn. Are we ready to make another big turn? Here we go. Let's go. Wow. Awesome. And back one more time. Oh. And one more. Turn, turn, turn. Yeah. Let's go all the way to the lift. I can't keep up with you.